Okay guys, in this video we're going to show you a short demonstration of the Auto Watch Ghost Immobiliser we've fitted to this 2017 Rs6. This system is completely invisible, no key tags or key fobs to carry, no flashing lights to indicate there's anything fitted on it. The only way to disable the immobiliser on this is using the existing buttons. You enter a 4-digit code. Now you can choose any buttons in the vehicle to enter the code with. So your steering buttons or buttons down the panel down there. So basically anybody unauthorised, even if they have the keys and don't know the code, won't be able to take the car. So I'm going to show you first, starting it up without entering the code. What will happen is the engine will start and immediately cut out. There we are, it's cut out immediately. So we need to turn the ignition off now for a few seconds. Turn the ignition back on. Enter the code. We get a confirmation with the blue flashing light twice to say everything's okay. And now we can start the vehicle as normal.